Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Francis of Assisi. He is a religious. Mga kapatid, lahat naman tayo gusto natin na maging masaya. At iba yung saya din mga kapatid kapag mayroon tayong mga bagay na natatapos o na-accomplish at yung saya na nagawa natin ito ng matiwasay, nagawa natin ito ng matagumpay, at higit sa lahat kapag nagawa natin ito ng napakagaling o pulido. Ito rin yung saya o kagalakan na naranasan ng mga alagad ng Panginoon. Jesus sent His 72 disciples to proclaim the kingdom of God. And they were given power to heal the sick, to drive out demons. And after their mission, they returned to the Lord and reported their accomplishments. And all of them were really happy in telling to the Lord what they experienced, what they accomplished. And they said, Lord, even the demons obeyed us when we called on your name. And then Jesus affirmed their experience. And said, I saw Satan fall like lightning from heaven. And at the end of the paragraph in our gospel reading today, Jesus tells them, nevertheless, don't rejoice because the evil spirits submit to you. Rejoice rather that your names are written in heaven. So Jesus is telling us in these words that we should not only be happy of what we accomplish or what we possess, but happiness should come from our relationship with the Lord. Our happiness will only be complete when we are with the Lord, when we are united with the Lord. And so here, when Jesus says, rejoice because your names are written, because our rewards that can give true happiness do not come from material things, from things in this world, but our reward that really would give us true happiness is in heaven, is with the Lord, and precisely to be with the Lord. Kaya nga po napakahalaga mga kapatid na sana sa buhay natin, we do not only aspire to have things that we feel would make us happy, but our gospel today would remind us to aspire also for greater things, for the things of heaven, for the things connected with the Lord. At sana ito yung pangarapin natin, yung asamin natin sa buhay natin. At tunay lamang tayong magiging masaya kung tayo ay malapit sa Diyos, lumalapit sa Diyos, at kapiling natin ng Diyos sa buhay natin. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.